Hi, and thanks for joining us today. Welcome to the Emirates A380. The landing speed is about 160 miles per hour. There are two variants available, one with 615 seats in a 2-class configuration and another with 517 seats in a 3-class setup. Powering this marvel are 4 GPS 7200 engines, each generating an impressive 70,000 pounds of thrust. Takeoff speed is about 170 miles per hour. Flight time from Manchester to Dubai is around 7 hours and 30 minutes. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be a part of the DTAM family and never miss out on new content.